All right, for the last video today, this is going to be the big challenge to recap everything in this lesson and everything in the first set of videos, which was the introduction to Photoshop. What I would like you to do in this lesson is open up two files. The first one being this file called tourboat.jpg, which gives us this nice boat image here. And then let's go back to that beach hotels file. Your job is going to be to combine these two files, but with a couple minor changes. If you were to put this boat in front of these beach hotels, perspective is going to be a little odd because the people are all going to be about the same size, which perspective-wise doesn't really work. So there's a couple things you need to keep in mind. First thing you need to kind of remember in this, let me just make this a little bit more easy for you guys to spot, is we need to pay special attention to the people that are on it, so this right here, these guys, this here, right? So that's one thing we have to pay attention to. Next thing is a boat probably has a reflection. It probably leaves a wake. These are all things that you kind of need to pay attention to in order to make this look convincing, okay? In here, we got to look at the people in this area. You may want to get rid of a few of them. Also, depending how far out is the boat. Is it really close to shore? Is it really close to the camera? An example of what this could look like when you're done is this file here, which I'll include as a screenshot so you can see another student's work, which is something kind of like this. It's not the best example, but it's a good one. Colors are pretty consistent. The boat has a reflection. There's some of the wake being traveled behind it. There's no people. The windows have actually been kind of darkened a little bit. So the people back here, there's nobody in the water at least. So play around with this. This is kind of your goal. It's not going to look exactly like this. Students of mine in the past used to joke that this was the quote-unquote assignment that never ends because there was always something else that could be done to it, whether it was, well, let's adjust the sky, let's adjust the lighting, let's change the colors, So this project itself doesn't have any real concrete end. But experiment with this one. Try to figure out the best look that you can get to have this boat in front of this image in the most realistic look possible. Submit that when you're done, and we'll see where you guys wind up with it. Good luck.